Good morning students. Today we will discuss about chapter 3 of class 4th, that is do not boast. Now students, I am going to tell you about the boasting. Do you know what is boasting? Boasting occurs when someone feels a sense of satisfaction or when someone feels that whatever occurred proves their superiority and is recounting accomplishment so that others will feel admiration. Individuals construct an image of themselves, a personal identity, and present themselves in a manner that is consistent with that image. Individuals seek to balance boasting against discrediting themselves with excessive self promotion or being caught blatantly misrepresenting themselves. Studies show that people often have a limited ability to perceive how their effort at self presentation are actually impacting their acceptance and likability by others. Now students, I am going to tell you a story of a boy who was fond of boasting about himself, because of which all his friends were unhappy with him. So let's get started. There was a boy whose name was Rajesh. He had spoken to Ravi many times and had boasted a lot about himself and his house. He had told him that he has a huge palace like house and many motor cars. He also said that he had many things to play with. One day, Ravi had gone to one of his relative place with his parents. He saw Rajesh playing in his garden. His house was just behind the house of Ravi's relative. He asked his uncle about Rajesh. His uncle asked, "Do you know Rajesh?" "Yes, we are classmates," replied Ravi. His uncle further informed Rajesh's parents are good natured. His father is a bank clerk and his mother is a housewife. But Rajesh has a bad habit of boasting about himself. After relaxing for some time, Ravi went to meet Rajesh. "What a pleasant surprise! How came you are here?" asked Rajesh. "Your neighbor Mr. Singh is my uncle. I have come to see him," said Ravi. Rajesh invited him inside his house. Rajesh's mother brought some snacks for them. Ravi wished her, and soon Rajesh and Ravi got busy in talking. After some time, Ravi asked, "Where is your palace like house and the fleet of cars you own?" Rajesh was at loss for words and was ashamed for his boasting. He apologized to Ravi and vowed never to brag again. So, children, you must be honest and should not boast about yourself. It leads you onto the wrong path. Every one of us should be content with what he has got. Never compare what you have got with others. It may disappoint you. If you want to have the good things of life, You must work hard. You cannot conceal the truth for a long time. You must never tell lies, lest you have to be ashamed later. Thank you.